Welcome to Calm Mind and Healthy Body, our channel. Effectively managing diabetes requires a comprehensive approach. Diet is one of the most crucial elements. The foods we consume can significantly impact blood sugar levels, energy, and overall health. By understanding which foods to avoid and which to embrace, individuals with diabetes can take control of their condition and improve their quality of life. In this video, we aim to provide valuable insights into the dietary choices that can make a difference in diabetes management. We understand that navigating food options can be overwhelming, especially with so much conflicting information. That's why we're here to support you on this journey. We aim to empower you with knowledge to help you make informed meal decisions. This video will teach you about foods that can spike blood sugar levels and should be avoided, such as sugary snacks and refined carbohydrates. On the flip side, we will highlight nutrient-dense foods that can help stabilize blood sugar, like whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats. By the end of this video, you will understand how to create a balanced diet that supports your health and well-being. So, let's dive in and explore the best food choices for managing diabetes effectively. Before we dive deep into the main subject, if you enjoy our content, we'd appreciate it if you could subscribe and hit the notification bell. Hence, you'll be updated on health tips, recipes, and wellness inspiration. I appreciate your support. Foods not to eat. For diabetes. When managing diabetes, being mindful of what you eat is essential, especially regarding high sugar and high carb foods. These foods can lead to significant spikes in blood glucose levels, making identifying and avoiding them crucial. Common culprits include sugary snacks like candies, cookies, pastries, and sugary beverages such as sodas and sweetened juices. These items are often loaded with refined sugars that can cause rapid increases in blood sugar. High-carb foods like white bread, pasta, and rice can also contribute to blood sugar spikes. These refined carbohydrates are quickly broken down into glucose, leading to a surge in blood sugar levels. It's important to remember that not all carbohydrates are created equal. Whole grains and fiber-rich options are generally better choices. We encourage you to read food labels carefully to make informed dietary decisions. Look for hidden sugars listed under sucrose, fructose, or corn syrup. Understanding the nutritional content of the foods you consume can empower you to make healthier choices that support your diabetes management. Avoiding high sugar and high carb foods can help maintain stable blood glucose levels and improve overall health. Remember, small changes in your diet can significantly improve your well-being. The 7 best foods for diabetics. Incorporating nutrient-dense foods into your diet can significantly improve blood sugar levels when managing diabetes. Here are 7 best foods to consider adding to your daily meals. Leafy greens such as spinach and kale are first on the list. They are low in calories and fiber and help regulate blood sugar. Next, whole grains like quinoa and brown rice provide complex carbohydrates that digest slowly, preventing spikes in glucose levels. Legumes, including lentils and chickpeas, are another excellent choice. They are rich in protein and fiber, promoting satiety and steady energy levels. Additionally, fatty fish like salmon and mackerel are packed with omega-3 fatty acids, which can reduce inflammation and support heart health. Nuts and seeds, such as almonds and chia seeds, are great for snacking. They offer healthy fats and protein, helping to keep you full and satisfied. Avocados are also a fantastic option, as they are low in carbs and high in healthy fats, which can improve insulin sensitivity. Lastly, berries like blueberries and strawberries are lower in sugar than many fruits and are rich in antioxidants, making them a delicious and nutritious choice. We encourage you to experiment with these healthy meal options. Try adding leafy greens to smoothies, incorporating whole grains into salads, or snacking on nuts. Making these foods a regular diet can support your diabetes management and enhance your overall health. Doctor reveals top 7 worst foods to reverse diabetes and prediabetes. When it comes to reversing diabetes and managing prediabetes, understanding which foods to avoid is just as important as knowing what to embrace. Medical professionals emphasize that specific food choices can significantly hinder your efforts. First on the list are sugary beverages, including sodas and sweetened teas, which can lead to rapid spikes in blood sugar and contribute to insulin resistance. Processed snacks, such as chips and cookies, are also detrimental. These foods are often high in refined sugars and unhealthy fats, making them a poor choice for anyone looking to improve their health. White bread and other refined grains can similarly cause blood sugar spikes due to their lack of fiber and nutrients. Another group to watch out for is high-fat meats, mainly processed varieties like bacon and sausage. These can increase inflammation and worsen insulin sensitivity. Full-fat dairy products can be problematic for some individuals, as they may contain saturated fats that negatively impact heart health and insulin function. Lastly, trans fats found in fried foods and baked goods should be avoided at all costs. These unhealthy fats can exacerbate insulin resistance and lead to weight gain. We encourage you to avoid these harmful foods for better health outcomes. By making conscious choices and prioritizing whole, nutrient-dense foods, you can support your journey toward reversing diabetes and improving your overall well-being. Top 7 diabetes triggers you must avoid. How to reverse diabetes. Managing diabetes effectively requires focusing on diet and being aware of common triggers that can worsen symptoms. Identifying these triggers is crucial for maintaining stable blood sugar levels. One significant trigger is stress. When we experience stress, our bodies release hormones like cortisol, which can lead to increased blood sugar levels. Another common trigger is a lack of physical activity. A sedentary lifestyle can contribute to weight gain and insulin resistance, so it's essential to incorporate regular exercise into your routine. Additionally, consuming high-sugar foods, such as candies and desserts, can cause rapid blood glucose spikes, so limiting these treats is essential. Refined carbohydrates, such as those found in white bread and pastries, can also trigger high blood sugar levels due to their quick digestion. Alcohol is another factor to consider. Excessive consumption can lead to unpredictable blood sugar fluctuations. Sleep deprivation is often overlooked, but can significantly impact diabetes management. Poor sleep can affect insulin sensitivity and increase cravings for unhealthy foods. Lastly, skipping meals can lead to overeating later, causing blood sugar spikes. To manage diabetes effectively, it's vital to avoid these triggers. Proactive changes, such as managing stress, staying active, and choosing whole foods over processed options, can significantly improve your health outcomes. Remember, minor adjustments in your lifestyle can lead to meaningful progress in reversing diabetes and enhancing your overall well-being. Top 7 anti-inflammatory foods every diabetic should eat. Inflammation plays a significant role in the complications associated with diabetes, contributing to issues like heart disease, nerve damage, and poor circulation. By focusing on anti-inflammatory foods, individuals with diabetes can help reduce inflammation and support their overall health. Incorporating these foods into your diet can be a powerful strategy for managing diabetes effectively. First on the list are fatty fish, such as salmon and mackerel, which are rich in omega-3 fatty acids. These healthy fats are known for their anti-inflammatory properties and can help improve heart health. Next, consider adding berries like blueberries and strawberries to your meals. Packed with antioxidants, these fruits can combat oxidative stress and inflammation. Leafy greens, such as spinach and kale, are also excellent choices. They are low in calories, vitamins, and minerals, making them a nutritious addition to any meal. Nuts, particularly walnuts and almonds, provide healthy fats and are known to reduce inflammation. With its active compound, curcumin, turmeric is another powerful anti-inflammatory food that can be easily added to various dishes. Olive oil, especially extra virgin, is rich in antioxidants and healthy fats, making it an excellent choice for cooking or salad dressings. Lastly, beans and legumes are high in fiber and protein, contributing to overall health while helping to reduce inflammation. We encourage you to incorporate these anti-inflammatory foods into your daily diet. Doing so can support your diabetes management and promote better health outcomes. The 7 worst vegetables for diabetics. Do not eat these. While vegetables are generally a healthy choice, some can negatively impact blood sugar levels, especially for those managing diabetes. It's essential to be aware of specific starchy vegetables that can cause glucose spikes. First on the list are potatoes, mainly white potatoes. They are high in carbohydrates and can rapidly increase blood sugar when consumed in large quantities. Similarly, corn is another starchy vegetable that should be limited. While it contains some nutrients, its high carbohydrate content can affect blood sugar levels. Peas, though often considered a healthy option, are also relatively high in carbohydrates and can contribute to glucose spikes. Sweet potatoes, while nutritious, can still be high in sugar compared to other vegetables, so portion control is critical. Due to their natural sugars, carrots can also impact blood sugar when eaten in large amounts. While rich in vitamins, beets have a higher glycemic index and can raise blood sugar levels more than other vegetables. Lastly, winter squash varieties, like butternut squash, are delicious but can be starchy and should be consumed in moderation. Instead of these starchy options, we encourage you to choose lower-carb vegetables such as leafy greens, broccoli, cauliflower, and zucchini. These alternatives are lower in carbohydrates and packed with nutrients and fiber, making them excellent choices for managing diabetes effectively. By making these mindful choices, you can better control your blood sugar levels and support your overall health. We've explored the critical role food choices play in managing diabetes effectively. We discussed the importance of avoiding high sugar and high carb foods that can lead to spikes in blood glucose levels. We also highlighted the best foods to embrace, such as leafy greens, whole grains, and healthy fats, which can help stabilize blood sugar and support overall health. Additionally, we identified specific vegetables that may negatively impact blood sugar levels, emphasizing the need to limit or avoid starchy options. Making informed food choices is essential for anyone looking to manage diabetes or reverse prediabetes. By understanding which foods to avoid and which to incorporate into your diet, you can take significant steps toward better health outcomes. We encourage you to take action by subscribing to our channel and sharing this video with friends and family who may benefit from this information. If you found this content helpful, we invite you to explore more related videos on our channel. We cover various topics related to diabetes management, nutrition, and healthy living. Your journey toward better health starts with knowledge, and we're here to support you every step of the way. Thank you for watching, and remember that small changes can significantly improve your well-being